All right, so doing monochromatic, our last one on this sheet. Mono, again, one, chroma means color, so my one color from the color wheel is my cyan, which I already have painted in here. And I'm going to start off with my weakest color, which is white, and I'm going to work my way over to the cyan, and then I'm going to work my way over to black. So taking my white, I don't want to add into this puddle in case I make a mistake. I always like to what I call my source puddle. That's where I'm getting my paint from. So I will start with a side puddle of white. I'm going to get a little bit of cyan, again, that tiny little bit next to that giant puddle, mix it in, and I get a really nice light cyan, light blue. Mix it until you don't see streaks anymore, and then paint that in. Without rinsing your brush, roll off any extra. If you have extra paint on there, go in, pick up some more, mix it in. And you don't have to make the whole puddle a darker blue. We're just trying to make a change. And if you don't feel like it changed enough, then get more. So you can do side puddles within your side puddles. There we go. Now I have a nice consistent change. This one feels like it's right in between. I've got a light one, a middle one, and then my cyan. Now I'll clean my brush. I'm rubbing the bottom of the container, remember? It's like I'm wiping paint off the bottom of the container. I'm wiping the brush, not tapping the brush. If you feel like you have extra water, just give it a quick little squeeze of the paper towel, reshape your brush. All of these are good habits to get into. Now I'm going to pick up my cyan, make my side puddle of that. If you don't have your cyan or your magenta painted in here, go ahead and do that. And then you're going to, again, add a tiny little bit. Okay, so look at how little that is next to that big puddle. There's not much black there at all. Paint it in. Okay, and then go back in. More black this time because it's already stronger than it was a second ago because we added some black. So now let's add more black to it. Okay, I'm probably not going to need the black and white paint anymore. I can use them if I want to. I can use them when I'm mixing them into my neutrals. So your neutrals are going to be like browns and grays. So I could actually take and make a gray and mix it in there. And you can also, once you make brown, you can make light brown or a dark brown by adding the white or black to it. But I can do the whole rest of this sheet with just the three primary colors. So I'm going to refresh my palette and start on the next video.